Ms. Smith.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Sharon, and I'm here to help you to complete the complaint for support.
Thank you so much for taking me. I didn't know if without an appointment I could come in.
In your case, an appointment is not needed, but if you are filing out of the state or even out of the country, an appointment may have been necessary.
Oh, that makes sense. I have a friend whose child's father is out of the country, and I would assume that she would probably need to make an appointment.
It's best if she checks with her local domestic relations office for specifics.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Well, did you bring anyone with you?
No, should I have brought my daughter?
No, we recommend that you don't bring any children with, or even anyone else with you. It is a much easier process if we do it one-on-one.
Okay.
Well, let's go to my office.
The first step in creating a support case with the Domestic Relations Office is to complete a complaint for support. This application may be printed online and completed in advance, or it may be completed in person at the Domestic Relations Office.
Before we start completing the form, are there any concerns about who the child's father may be?
No, that will not be a problem. He signed the acknowledgement of paternity at the hospital.
Okay, since paternity is not an issue, we can continue. If that was an issue, we would have to establish paternity before we can set an order.
Okay.
It is really important to know that the complaint for support should be completed very early in the process because it helps to protect your legal rights and any money that is owed through child support.
How soon will it be effective?
Well, since you are filing a complaint in person, the effective date would be the date of the complaint, or today.
Okay.
Let's talk about the criteria needed to file for support. Since you are the mother caring for the child, you can file for support. A person or agency caring for the child could also file if necessary.
I see.
Okay, great. Now we can start completing the complaint for support. As we walk through this form, you will need to provide information about yourself, your children, and the parent you are filing against. This is all part of the complaint for support and intake interview. Here's the information that we will need: the names of each parent, addresses of each parent if different, Social Security numbers of each parent and children, each parent's employment information to include current and last known jobs, medical insurance information, financial and real estate assets, birth certificates for each child, your marriage license if married, attorney names if applicable, and prior court orders and divorce decrees. We will need to see a photograph of the person who is responsible for making payments and paying any outstanding debts. Okay, that takes care of the complaint for support part of the process. The next step will involve the support conference. Here's your notice for the date and time for the support conference. We will also serve the defendant with this notice, and then the conference will proceed. If you receive any cash assistance, the agency will proceed on your behalf whether you are able or unable to attend.
Okay, that's good to know.
Okay, that should take care of everything for today.
So remember, it's important to file the complaint for support very early in the process. Additionally, please note, filing child support does not protect any legal rights other than those for child support.